Yo, it's good. This is how you make money online. Alright. Number one, got a product, service, or information. It's whatever you're good at, whatever you're passionate about, what a problem you solve that you're good at, that you're passionate about. That's your product, service, or information, whatever you're smarter than a fifth grader at. So that's your product, service, or information. Next thing you know, post blogs, post videos, post posts. Got different social media platforms you get monetized by. Different social media platforms you get monetized by. If you have enough followers, watch time, videos. Let's see, what else? For a website, you probably have to pay around $130 for a good, secure website to monetize fully. You can monetize a bit with just a regular website for free. I use WordPress.com right now. WordPress.org. You need a hosting website, a hosting thing. The hosting website would be Bluehost. Bluehost is the best. I don't really mess with GoDaddy that much, but GoDaddy's okay. But Bluehost is the best, especially for WordPress. They sponsor each other, basically. So, once you do that, you promote and produce your product, service, or information. Product, service, or information. So, as you're promoting and producing, it's a journey, not the destination. But the destination will be nice, but enjoy the journey. Enjoy the process. It's fun. It's really fun. I enjoy it every day. I feel like I could fly. I want to fly. I feel like maybe I am flying. My spirit's flying, maybe. My soul, body might be, I don't know, on the ground. My body might be on the ground, but I don't know. I feel good. Spirit's light. Light and light. So, if you want to learn more on how to monetize your whole life, or monetize what your product, service, or information is, hit me up, because it's going to be on Motivational Gregory. Maybe Gregory Bow, maybe something like that. I really want to make a whole new brand called Business Gregory, because then I could basically teach people how to monetize and tell them the right way to do it, So if you'd like to know more, hit me up. If you want to help me monetize, hit me up. Because actually I could, there's the thing to where you could have people basically as a, not just a collab. It's not a collab. It's a, almost like a moderator. It's kind of like that. It's more like somebody actually, like for YouTube, for stuff like that, for all the shit. So basically you have a person with an account that basically is like a moderator, and they basically help you out. So if you want to help me out, I'd appreciate it, because I kind of need it. If you'd like to learn, by the way, I'm very secure about what I do, so if you do want to be like a moderator or whatever. I need to trust you. So hit me up if you'd like to learn more how to monetize. Now, I'm not making that much money yet, but also think to yourself, say and think that you are wealthy, healthy, wise in your relationships, and you will be. And also think you already got it. Say you already got it. You already got it. I already have money. You already have money. Set goals. Take steps to reach those goals. Don't skip steps that much like that. Don't skip steps. If you skip from the 5th step to the 20th step, you're going to bite off more than you could chew. So, alright guys. Y'all hit me up. Motivation Gregory. G-Bo out. G-Bizzle. Peace.